Did you know that the sand cat is a true survival expert in the desert? This small but remarkable predator lives in the sandy dunes and deserts of Central Asia, where its unique skills help it thrive. With its sand-colored coat, the sand cat blends perfectly into the desert landscape, making it nearly invisible to both prey and predators. Active at night, the sand cat is adept at hunting in low-light conditions. Its diet consists of small mammals, birds, and even insects. The sand cat can go for extended periods without water and food, adapting to the harsh desert environment. It's a living symbol of resilience and nature's ingenuity, thriving in one of the toughest habitats on Earth.